Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to manually migrate Salesforce files related to a Salesforce record into Amazon S3. Let's see how this works. First, navigate to the account record with a few Salesforce files which are not migrated in Amazon S3. Open the S3-Link Salesforce Files Migration section. It will display a list of Salesforce files related to that account record which are not migrated in Amazon S3. Select files which you want to move to Amazon S3 and click on the Move to Amazon S3 to start the migration. This will start uploading Salesforce files into Amazon S3 one by one. It will take some time to upload all files into Amazon S3. So please keep the window open until all files are migrated. During the upload, if you want to skip any particular file, simply click on the skip button when the status of that file is uploading. Additionally, if you want to skip all upcoming files, you can do that by clicking on Abort All. Once all files are processed, you can view those files in the S3 Files section. Thank you for watching.